Why would you pay for someone to do your hair when you can do it yourself? Stay tuned to see how I achieve this look, and trust me, I am not a hairstylist, so you can do it too. Best believe that. To achieve this look, we gotta braid this up, baby. So we are using the jumbo braiding hair because after the big chop, obviously, we gotta grip it. We gotta grab it. And the jumbo hair is going to help that. So to achieve this look, let's get started with the braids. Do not have to be neat whatsoever because you can't even see them when it's all said and done. So that's how we're living, and that's how we're doing. Alright, let's just get right into the crochet method. I made sure the loop was big enough to go right through the needle. Once I had that secured, I then wrapped the thread tightly in place of my cornrow. So I made sure the loop went right through the thread and made sure it was secure and it didn't have any problems and it would not come out or slide out. Okay, so we did the first piece. As you can see, this is the rubber band method. So let's do the second one because obviously I wasn't recording because I've been winding down, okay? And we're going to still continue. We're going to still continue because we have more. Okay, so we're going to, what we did with the last one, we made a part, an equal part, y'all. My hood is like really going crazy because it's the 4th, so don't mind the fireworks. The hood goes in. So I'm trying to make sure it's like an equal part, a center part, you know, because having parts is cute. So we have Eco Styling Gel to just tame the hair because Black Girl Magic is real out here. I'm just gonna like low-key twist it. And the front is getting a rubber band method. The her, like so. My hood is going crazy, y'all. And go right through like this. And make sure when you try to clutch them together so they can be secure. Bag secure. And that is the front, okay? Yes, dreads. About to add some bling bling. About to add some bling bling. Bling bling. Bling bling, baby. Bling. Boom. Booyah. In your face. What you say? In your face. Oh my god, don't mind me. I'm like on another level in real life. So a lot of people understand the level that I'm on because this is real life. And we just put it. I'm wearing clothes, y'all, so y'all know. Look, we're gonna give you this look like. I'm gonna add more, but I just wanna say peace, y'all. I'm about to go eat. Y'all, just know, don't waste your money. Do it yourself. 2019, all year long, do it yourself. No handouts this way. That's how I feel, and that's how I'm gonna go.